So I am going down to my apartment to move everything else out and maybe see my little. And I'm with my mom and my grandma and my sister. Yay! So, yeah. Alright, see y'all soon. Bye! Say hi to the camera.
Well, you got a new camera? Is that what they bought you to fix?
No, I paid for part of it.
Oh. How's the
But
situation
I
going?
need to make a vlog. Whoa. So we are almost home, and
when I was drunk.
I'm officially moved out, turned my keys in, all of that stuff. And I really, really want PF Chang's for dinner tonight, and so does my sister, even though we didn't say it. Yeah, that's my sister. Say hi, sister. Ew, she just like spit on my foot. So,
Oh, Mom,
yeah.
on the radio. Shh. Mom, can you turn it up?
He's been on the radio.
Mom, can you turn it up?
No.
Please?
No.
So anyways, yeah, and yeah. Sister's dancing.
Leave me alone. You're baby.
My sister dances like a... And she's hiccuping, I swear.
I'm
What did that girl
happy.
drink?
I'm slap happy.
See what I mean? Slapping herself in the face, hiccups. Hello, what is going on up in there? See, she just did it again. And oh, whoa, my face. Look, I look at, ow, blinding.
I don't hear you.
Oh no. Okay, well, I'll talk to you all soon.
Yeah, I'm asking you a
Peace.
question and you're not answering.